Today I'm going to show you how I make bacon in my air fryer. First, take out all of the accessories. I put foil in the bottom only to catch the grease for easy cleanup later. Once preheated, I put the little rack in just to put space between the bottom and the next top tray. Then I heat it at 400 I start at 8 minutes and check it from there. I like it crispy, so it'll probably go for 10 minutes, but just check it at 8. Okay, so 8 minutes has gone by, but I can already tell you, I know it's going to need to go in longer. Yes, needs probably a good 3 to 4 minutes more. Okay, so check it. Looks amazing. Okay, so I cooked it for a total of 12 minutes at 400. So repeat all the steps with the rest of the bacon because you know you're going to eat that entire pound of bacon. Enjoy!